Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. And this is your guest from Masagari Channel, a Fitiner o Zamatarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tagay natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of April 22 hanggang April 28 for the sign of Cancer. So Cancer, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ng ating mga hagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit notification bell for more videos update request. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads, so may pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, umapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Cancer? So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ng ating mga ginap? Tuklasin at bubulabugin natin. Angel spirit, please give me information po. Okay, there's a two of wands by choices. No, may mga bagay dito na kailangan pagpilian. No, kailangan pagdesisyonan. Kailangan mong piliin ng wasto at tama yung mga desisyon mo sa buhay. And there's a the moon card for the truth reveal. No, ilalamtad sa iyo, papakita at ibabahagi sa iyo mga bagay na dapat mong malaman. Na dapat mong maunawaan, na dapat mong makita, na dapat mong kailangan gawin. There's a knight of wands for pagtsatsaga, no, perseverance. So kailangan mo magtyaga, kailangan mong kumbaga, magkaroon ng dedication sa ginagawa mo, no, continue what you're doing, no, kailangan na gamayan mo yung mga bagay or tao sa paligid mo. And there's something the page of wands, my goodness, may magandang balita rin daw dito na paparating. There's something of messages and phone calls, no, there's a lot of transaction coming in. There's a 6 of cups, no, there's something a past person coming back na maaaring mag-message to sa some of nowhere. No, baka ngayong linggong to, maaari magparamdam tong tao na to. And of course, there's something, the 7 of swords. Mag-ingat ka lang, there's a sneakiness. No, there's a cheating lying on you. Meron siyang hidden agenda dyan. Kaya siya magpaparamdam, hindi para mahalin ka, para budulin at lokohin ka. No, uululing ka ulit nito. What is the 2 of wands represent what? There is a judgment for a wake of call. No, para pay attention. No, binibigyan ka ng paalala at babala na kailangan mo mag-ingat sa bawat decision or gagawin mong actions. What is the additional messages? So there's a King of Cups. No, meron talagang devoted support person para sa iyo. No? Hintayin mo tong tao na to na dumating. What is the Knight of Wands? Represent with the 8 of Cups. For something moving forward. Makaka-move on at makakalaya at makakawala ka na from toxic negativities. What is additional messages? And because there is something, the page of wands. Represent with a high five for lesson learned. Matuto ka na, no? Kung paano ka makipag-transaction, makipag-usap, makipag-coordinate, makipag-collaborate, no? Mag-ingat ka po. No? May magandang balita dyan, pero matuto ka na sa leksyon na nangyari sa'yo from the past. And because this is something, the Hermit card with the spiritual enlightenment. No, may mga bagay dito na maaaring nagliliwanag or magliliwanag siya about sa spirituality. No, unti-unti mo na matutuklasan lahat ng kahalagahan, lahat ng mga bagay na dapat mong malaman. Let's see what is additional messages with the 7 of Swords. The 7 of Swords represent what? The 3 of Wands. There is a waiting for us, a waiting worship na hinihintay mo resulta, document, maaaring dumating na. Now, there's a spying, looking, watching at you. May sumusubaybay din sa'yo. No, mag-ingat ka, baka lokohin ka dito. No, sa pupuntahan mo, mag-ingat ka po. No? What is the 2 of Wands? Because of judgment. There's the word card. Makakaalis ka talaga, makakapag-travel ka. Mamimili ka ng bansa kung saan ka gusto mong pumunta, ha? Kung ano ba talaga yung mas malaking salary or priorities mo, ano ba talagang gusto mo. No? And this is something, the justice card. Pagka mag-alala, may justisya. Na makukuha mo yung mga bagay na what you deserve. Let's see what is additional messages. And reference with the page of swords, there's something spying, looking, watching at you. Marami nakatingin. No, marami nakasubaybay sa'yo. Marami mga matang nakatingin sa'yo. No, kaya kailangan mag-ingat ka. No, magpatuloy ka sa ginagawa mo, huwag ka magpapadistract. And there's something 10 of Wands, something burden. No, maaring marami kang responsibilidad, obligation. No, maaring marami kang pinagdadaanan sa ngayon. Matuto ka na from the lessons, no, that you've done before. Okay, so let's see what is initial messages. And there's something, guys, with a Knight of Swords. Na some of you nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety, sleepless nights. Oh my God, may gayuma ko na nakita dito. Oh. There's something, a past person. Babalik siya, either nabasag na yung gayuma na ginawa sa kanya. There's a hermit card with spiritual enlightenment or spirituality, and may kinalaman to about sa spirituality. There's a Knight of Swords na nagkaroon ng anxiety, sleepless nights, or either all overthinking, or and of course exhausted, balisa, and there's an everything is fine. So kumbaga, kahit na ganun man yung nangyari, parang pinipilit mo maging okay, maging masaya. Oh. So let's see what is the initial messages for the outcome. For the outcome, there's a high priestess for something and hidden agenda or hidden enemy. So may misteryo talaga sa likod nito. No, may mga misteryo sa likod nito, and there's something, the Two of Pentacles with a balance. So kailangan mo maging balance, physical, mental, and emotional. And there's a Devil card. Oh my God, there's something of black magic involved talaga. So kailangan mo nang kumbaga mag-let go. Alam niyo guys, no, nasa environment niya to. No, ang gumagawa na sa paligid niyo lang. Kailangan mo nang umalis dyan. No, stop posting, no, stop flexing by social media. Gusto nito maghirap kayo. Kaya pag kayo magkasama nitong person na to, no, puro problema, puro komplikasyon. Nasa isang karmic relationship din kayo. And there's a Three of Pentacles for collaborations, no? Kumbaga, kailangan marunong ka makapag-communication sa kanya na maayos. No, liniwanagin mo, linawin mo yung lahat na nangyayari nito. There's something involved with something spiritual. So let's see what is additional messages for finances and career. So let's see and watch this. Finances and career represent what? There's a King of Pentacles being security. Na magiging secure ka ngayon pagdating sa finances. Papangalagaan at puproteksyon mo ngayon mga pinaghirapan mo. And there's a Queen of Wands by confident. No, lalakasan mo ng loob mo, magiging matapang ka na this time. No? And of course, there's a Seven of Cups, something opportunities. No, maraming oportunidad na papasok dito. Mag-ingat ka. There's the Four of Cups, just re-evaluate or analyze. No, may mga bagay na kailangan pag-isipan, klaruhin, liwanagin. And there's the Lovers. No, there's something about the love life. No, may kinalaman ng career mo at finances mo. Alam nyo guys, kaya ito ginayuma itong person mo or either you. No, some of you cross-watcher out there na maaaring ginayuma ka kasi para guluhin kayo. No? No, and of course you are dealing with the Sagittarius, you are dealing with the Scorpio, you are dealing with the Taurus, you are dealing with the Leo. Okay, there's a Six of Swords with the transition. Na meron daw din the Gemini din daw dito. Okay. So there's a Six of Swords with something transition. Kailangan nyo na makalis dyan sa hindi maganda sitwasyon. No, dati ang ganda ng business nyo, ng inyong pagsasama, ng inyong negosyo, trabaho. But evidently, gumaga na bago dahil marami palang nainggit sa inyo. About naman tayo sa love life. Sa love life mo, there's a Two of Swords, there's a decision that you need to make. No, kailangan nyo mag-decision dito. There's a moment na minsan na kayo nasira, no, minsan na kayo naguho, no, or gumuho. No, kailangan mo ng palaguin at palakasin ulit yung pundasyon at ang inyong relasyon. No, and of course, there's something guys with the Ace of Cups. No, may babalik at mag-uumapaw na bagong pag-ibig. No, and there's a Four of Pentacles protection at pangalagaan mo ko naman yung mga bagay na meron ka. Diba? One more card please. And there's something that Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. Matutupad dito pangarap mo. Na pagdating sa pag-ibig, may babalik ang tunay na tamis ng pag-ibig at may babalik ang tunay na saya, ang tunay na ligaya. So let's see what is the additional messages about sa kalusugan mo. Sa kalusugan mo naman, there is something guys with the Five of Swords. Nagkakaroon na ng self-sabotage, that because of your action. Umiiwas ka sa mga bawal sa'yo. And there's a Nine of Cups, no? Iwasan mo tumanggap ng mga pagkain na galing sa labas. Maging mature ka in being grounded. No, wag kang magpapalinlang, wag kang magpapauto. There's a magician for manifestation. Ano man yung mga bagay na gagawin mo, magre-reflect sa'yo. At makaka-recover ka na raw from the pain. Sa lahat ng mga sakit, sa mga lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo, na sakit man yan sa katawan, sakit man yan physical and mental, paring unti-unting hihilom, and there's a Eight of Swords. No, kailangan mo lang makalaya from toxic and negativities. Ganon. So, madam, let's see About naman tayo with the magical fairy messages and a lot of advices. Nandun din na napapaloob ang pick a card yes or no. Kaya malalaman natin kung hanggang dulo ba ang napanood mo. Kasi magko-comment ka dito with the answer, no? With the 1, 2, or 3 kung anong sagot dun sa mga tanong mo, no? Kung anong tanong mo ay magiging sagot with a 1 or 2 or 3. Pipili ka lang ng isa. Okay, so let's see and watch this. With magical fairy messages represent what? With the magical fairy messages represent get some exercise. So kailangan mo na exercise dito, ha. Baka lumalapat at tumataba ka na. And this something easy, that's it, no? Stop trying so hard to control this situation, no? Wag mong pinipilit, wag mong pilitin yung isang bagay hanggat kung hindi pa para sa'yo, no? And summer, ngayong summer season, masasagot na lahat ng katanungan mo. For Yin and Yang Oracle card represent what? And there's a harvest moment na mag-harvest ka talaga dito at the end of the time. And there's a feminine. No, may feminine dito, guys. No, may babae dito. You're also Cancer na babae. No, you are also Cancer na babae. Or you are also a man. Now you are dealing with this person. And there's a memories. Talaga meron talaga about sa nakaraan na maaaring manumbalik, ha. Oh, it's either babalik ang sitwasyon or babalik yung tao. Alamin pa natin yan. So let's see what is additional messages for synchronicities. And there's something synchronicities. There's something as signs na maraming mga signo, senyales, no, paalala at babala. And there's a faith, no, sinusubukan na pananampalata at tiwala mo. With a romance angel for a mystic love oracle deck. Represent with reconciliation. Sabi ko na nga ba, may reveal din may babalik talaga. No, may babalik from the past. Now, there's a hook one night stand. No, parang sinasabi dito na maaaring mayroong mangyari sa inyo pa. No, ini-encourage ka dito, kailangan labanan mo, tapangan mo, tibayan mo loob mo. And this is something dating. No, some of you naman may dating with someone. So let's see what is an angel's number represent what. Angel's number represent 1441 for unique skills, no? It's the time of intense self-development. Focus on your mind, on your craft. You already have what it takes to succeed, but practice make you a master. It's also serve to find your true purpose. Leveling up in your career and business is a priority right now. So see, kung ano ba talaga yung purpose mo sa buhay, ano ba talaga yung life goals mo, missions mo, natutukan mo yan dahil may sarili kang chapter, no? Meron kang sariling path para mag-succeed ka dyan. So let's see what is the money matter represent what. And there's something success. I told you, magtatagumpay ka. You are on the right track. No, and of course, there's something main power. Diyon, napaka-powerful ng isip mo para makapag-create ka ng mga bagong ideas and bagong opportunities. No, pasabog ka dito. So let's see what is the shadow works represent what. Shadow works represent what? Wooden healer, no? Ibig sabihin dito, ano man yung mga sakit, ano man yung mga bagay na pinagdaanan mo, napakalalim naman itong sugat nito, pero unti-unting hihilom yan. The wood is a place where light enter you. Na talagang sinusubok ka doon, no, kung saan katatatag, kung napakalalim na mga sugat na yan, kung kaya bang hilumin ng nakaraan na yan, ng nangyayari sa kasalukuyan, no? Kung kaya mo bang maging matatag sa hamon ng buhay, maging matatag sa lahat ng mga bagay na pinagdaanan. What lies within the future? And this is something, guys, with the getting played, manipulation. Some of you guys know there's something control, no? Maaring manipulator yung person mo, dictator, or may mga taong nagmamanipula sa'yo. Oh, there's something doing black magic talaga. Parang nilalaro ka. Parang dinidiktahan yung utak mo. No? Nilalaro ka nito. Mayroon talagang gumagawa sa inyo, guys, ha? Kaya pa bago-bago yung utak ng person mo. Balisa siya, tapos nagba-back and forth. So let's see what is clarifying for life situation. Ano ba itong mga nababasa natin? More on gayuma, ha? And there's a delicate balance. Strike a balance between freedom and commitment, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito na kailangan mo maging balance, no? Sa pagiging masaya at pagiging kontento. Parang yun nakita ko dito, no? So let's see what is the clarifying for life situation. Kasi may mga bagay tayo, guys, na meron na tayo pero hindi pa rin tayo nagiging masaya. No, kaya kailangan ko ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka, hawak-hawak mo, pahalagahan mo, maging masaya ka. Dahil kapag nawala yan, saka mo ma-realize na napakaswerte mo kasi hawak mo yung isang bagay na wala yung ibang tao. No? And because clarifying for life situation represent with the divine timing. So this is the moment talaga, guys. Be patient for something take time to manifest fully in your life, no? Kumbaga kailangan mo ng oras, no, para makuha mo yung isang bagay. Hindi naman yan agad na agad, no? Hinihintay yung tamang panahon at pagkakataon para ipagkaloob sa iyan. And because this is something planning phase. So ibig sabihin dito kailangan mo magplano ng maayos at wasto, no? Kailangan na kung ano man yung mga bagay hangarin mo, alam mo na kayang-kaya mo to pa rin to. So let's see what is the path of the light represent what. What is the path of the light represent what? Path of the light represent a peace of mind. Ooh. True love, release, and inner reflection. I find peace by perspective is a gentle and loving, and I approach each step with a confident in moment of fear. I remain brave knowing that peace resides with me. So, bibigyan ka na mas payapa at kapayapaan sa isip, sa salita at sa gawa. At sa sitwasyon na kinagagalaw mo, pakawalan mo ang takot at pangamba, pakawalan mo yung nagbibigay negatibo sa utak mo. So, let's see what is the yes or no questions. I-ready nyo na yung itong tanong nyo. Ito na yung kasagutan sa gusto nyo malaman. Okay? Let's start with the number 1. And there's something a yes. Oh my goodness. There's something a yes, and of course number 2 is a yes again. Okay? Number 1 is going swimming off the hook in the flow, no? Ibig sabihin dito na sumabay ka sa agos, no? Enjoyin mo, makalin mo yung mga bagay na kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka. No, there's a number 2, yes again. Golden opportunities, cloud lifting, clear skies, no? Dadaling ka ng mga bago oportunidad sa mas maliwanag at mas maayos sa sitwasyon, no? Makikita mo mas mahalaga at mas pasabog tong ipagkakaloob sa iyo dahil napaka liwanag nitong oportunidad na para sa iyo talaga. And this is something a yes again. You have the answer opening door access, no? Binubuksan yung pintuan na to para sa kasagutan sa iyong mga katanungan, no? Binibigyan ka ng kaliwanagan dito sa lahat na nangyayari, no? Binubuksan na ang bagong oportunidad para makuha mo na lang yung mga bagay na kung ano ba talagang gusto mo at hangarin mo, no? Pinagkakaloob to sa iyo sa ngalan ng ating Panginoon ay lahat ng mga bagay na nasa harapan mo ay maaaring makamit mo, no? Kaya kailangan magtiwala at maniwala ka. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of April 22 hanggang April 28 for the sign of Cancer. So Cancer, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading naman, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And just comment down below kung anong number yung napili nyo. At maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na ang hindi skip ng ads sa way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisiksik lig na gumabaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. Maraming salamat po yung see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!